She is the co-founder and director of Learn to Lead Private Limited. She is the founder for Iris Florets, the Happy Play School, and Sakalia Academy. Former director of Bachpan Schools and Academic Heights Public School. Former director of Artha Creative Services and E9 No Soul Private Limited. The topic Arshia is going to talk about is again one of my favorites, character building in children. Very interesting one, Arshia. The quote that Arshia believes in is life is not about waiting for the storm to pass, but it is about learning to dance in the rain. It's a beautiful quote. You did mention about who is the quote, the person who belongs.
Vivian Green.
Yes. So I have just mentioned it over here without the name of the person. So thank you so much. Over to you, Arshia. Everybody is waiting and keen to listen to you.
Thank you, Mansi. You are a true silent support system for the entire ECA and APER team. I'd first like to thank Swati ma'am and the entire team of ECA and APER for all that they're doing for schools, leaders, teachers, parents, and most importantly, the children. My fellow panelists, it's an absolute honor to share the space with you. Dr. Jaya's Khushi Ki Almari, Richa's Reading as a Lifestyle, Sonal's The Crux is Observation, Dr. Pallavi's Creating a Learning Environment, Mehek's Don't Teach the Children, Reach the Children. Fantastic, guys. A great, great round of applause for all of you. I've always said that there is strength in character, and this character building happens in the early years of a child. Character is not just about being a good human being. Character is what the educators said when the lockdown was just 2 weeks down. We will not stop the learning. We will not let the time or distance come in the way. We will beat this virus with our determination and compassion. This speaks of character. And today, with all that is happening around us, we realize just how important character building in children is. I have a simple 5-pointer rule to understand this. I call it VERA, V-E-E-R-A. The V for Veera is values and identity. Children should be proud of who they are, where they come from, and what their values are. Take a look at Swati ma'am's face when she talks in Gujarati. There is a glow, a genuine sense of pride of who she is and where she comes from. So celebrate your culture and language with your children. We need to ensure that children are not afraid to be themselves. This forms the foundation for success. Similarly, teach them values like countering temptation. Here, I have a very interesting bubble bursting activity. You blow bubbles for the children and you ask them to burst these bubbles. The second time that you blow the bubbles, you tell them that they are not allowed to burst any of them, even if it comes and sits on their nose. Gratitude. Talk about the COVID frontliners. Make them understand how grateful we are to them. Have a gratitude tree where the children and other family members can put small post-its to say how grateful they are and for what they are so grateful. Solving conflict. Puppet play is an excellent way to allow children to act out conflicts and then solve them. Empathy. So this is a very, very interesting game. Walk in my shoes game. Place shoe prints on the floor. One child who's feeling low, upset, or angry walks on these first. Then another child walks on the same shoe prints. Then you start discussing with the second child what the first child was feeling and why. We can do this with different family members at home too. Caring. Make a carometer. When the children at home or in class are being more caring, turn the pointer towards the sun and bigger hearts. When they're being less caring, turn the pointer towards the cloud and smaller hearts. Teach them to show and recognize acts of caring. Provide a box of paper happy faces to children. Tell them they can go and distribute this and give this to anybody who's having a bad day. What you can do is you can have paper hearts. You give these to the children to say thank you for their acts of kindness. Next, honesty. Teaching the children that lying can hurt you. It's not a good thing. My favorite story for this is the simple one that everybody knows, the boy who cried wolf. This is an excellent story to explain about honesty to children. Make a lost and found box. Teach your children how, when they find items not belonging to them and others, they should place these items in the lost and found box with utmost honesty. This can be done both in school and at home. Responsibility. Give saplings to children. Ask them to take care of these saplings every day. Set up a book and toy hospital. This is an excellent way where the children are shown a proper way to handle books and toys, and if there is any damage, how to repair these in the hospital. Need for neutral and unbiased children. Talk about how people are alike and also different. This we can do using a box of crayons. Draw a picture to demonstrate all the colors that contribute something to the picture, and how adding more colors can make the picture look even better. Discuss this is just how people are different, and when they come together, people can form a very strong community. Now, after V for values and Veera, we go to E, the first E in Veera, examples. We need to ensure that we set the right examples for our children. What they see in us is far stronger than what they hear from us. When we get frustrated and say something negative after watching the news, when we fight with our family for little things, when parents scream at their children, don't scream! They're actually screaming when they say that. How will children learn positivity, patience, and strength if they don't see us doing it? I'll give you a small example. My daughter was just 5 when I lost my father. She walked up to me and said, "Sab theek ho jayega, mummy. It'll be fine soon." She had to have learnt it from somewhere, right? Like Mehak said, every parent and teacher are the first heroes of a child. Are you the hero that you want your child to be? Now, the second E of Veera stands for experience. Giving experience before wisdom. And I have always believed in this. Now, can you imagine if I told you that instead of taking swimming lessons, let's do a correspondence course in swimming? Wear your swimsuit, stand at the edge of the pool, jump into the pool, take your right hand out first, then put it in the water, take your left hand. Seriously, is that even possible? The sweats and the tears, the give-ins and the give-ups, the fears and the final victory is what will make the difference. Please understand that life teaches you much more than an individual. Now, is experience enough? An experience for a child without reflection is entertainment. It's basically entertainment. Now that brings me to the R in Veera, reflection. Asking the child the right kind of questions for reflection and using these to help him or her make the right decisions. To make this very, very simple, we have the ever successful SODAS theory. I'm sure many of you may or may not know about it. So let me tell you. S is for situation, explaining and analyzing a situation with the child. When Anjali throws a paper ball at her brother Rahul. O is for options, giving options of the response. Throw the paper ball back, ignore her, or tell mommy. D is for disadvantages. If you tell mommy, your sister may not play with you again. A is for advantages. If you ignore her, she may stop doing that and come to you finally. S finally is for solution. Ask Rahul to choose a solution and why he chose that solution. Ask him to reflect on his experience of that situation and the choices that he has made. And finally, we come to the A in Veera. So we finished with V, double E, R, and now A. A is for action. Encourage our children to take action. Now, a child cannot build a character just by thinking right. Doing right is the last essential step. Here, I'm going to recommend making a character wheel. It is divided like a pizza into sectors. Very simple. Each sector will have a value in it. We attach a pointer with a pin in the center. And when we spin this, it will go and stop on a particular value. So you can do this in school or at your home. So a value like, say, thank you to 5 people today, wash my own utensils, do not get angry for 24 hours, wake up on time. Time management is also a character. Don't try building a child's character with big changes and teachings. Characters are built with small but consistent changes every single day. Always remember, the child needs a structure and rules. None of us said that we love our moms the most in the world because she said, do whatever you want, whenever you want. So don't worry. They are going to love us when they look back at the boundaries we had set up for them. I just want to leave you with one thought. Before we teach our children to build a world for the future, we must teach them to build their character for today. Thank you everybody for listening. I'm sorry I couldn't cover all the values. Maybe individually later we can connect and I can tell you different values and what are the games and the activities that we can have with the children, both at school and at home. So thank you.
Thank you, Arshia. And I must really congratulate you. You are fasting, you had so much to talk, and you are still able to manage. So, thank you for accepting to speak on the ECA per talks. It was indeed a pleasure. A lot of comments again are flowing on for you also. Can I have all the speakers off on their screens, please? Unmuted yourselves so that we can have a glimpse of all of you at one go together. Dr. Jaya? Yes.
Yes.
So thank you, everybody. It was indeed a power-packed session, as I had mentioned very correctly in the messages as well. So